how to merge two Instagram accounts into one. So if you want to merge two Instagram accounts into one, then open up your Instagram application. And let me tell you one thing, that you just need to simply go and create another account with the same mobile number or the same email address that you have with this account. So you just need to simply go with the bottom middle or the bottom right, which has that profile option. Go with the upper right, which has that 3-bar. Go with account center. Go with profiles, and under your profile, what you need to do is simply go with add accounts. Tap on add accounts and then make sure that you've created another account with the same email address or the same mobile number that you have. And after that, you just need to simply go and enter the credentials. You'll get this kind of interface. You need to simply enter the new account in which you would have the same email and mobile number, and then enter the password. And once you've logged in, then your Instagram account will be connected to this Instagram which you have right now. In this way, you'll be able to merge two Instagram accounts into one. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.